Hello everyone, this is Digital Onkar. So today I'll tell you how to install a plugin into your WordPress website. So for this you will have to log in into the admin panel of your website. I'll give the username and the password of my admin panel and log in into the dashboard of my website, which looks like this. So to install a plugin, you'll have to go into the plugin section, add, hover into add new, and you get a search plugin option over here. Now you can write any plugin which you want to install into the WordPress website. Suppose I want to install AIO which is already installed, which and suppose I want to install this contact form. So I'll just click this install button. Now you can see that a pop-up came which showed installed. Now if you want to activate this form, you activate this plugin, you can just simply click activate. That's it. I hope you like this video. For more content like these, please subscribe to my channel, and thank you so much. Have a good day.